Chevette. I've been in lots of race cars before.
Oh, yeah.
But it's wild to me that whenever you guys are coming into corners, you don't rev match on purpose.
Yeah.
It just locks up the rear end and lets it step out.
It's almost like an e-brake thing without too much e-brake. You use it to set the car and then jump on the power to overdrive the wheel to keep the attitude.
Yeah. It was really neat to see. Really neat to watch that in action. That was cool.
It works quite good. It's surprising how necessary it is.
Yeah. Because it's very reminiscent of my car. That if I could tell you that I have a '86 Toyota Corolla and it makes like 84 horsepower in the wheel.
These are a whopping 55.
Yeah, it's very similar because you just have to be on it the whole time to get anything accomplished. And if you make any mistakes, and you just have to deal with it the whole lap.